I am at 100 Harvest Drive, St. Charles, Missouri, 63304, doing a main sewer lateral inspection for Courtney Bills. Our access is 4-inch cleanout on the main stack located in the basement. Currently looking at a connection to the city sewer main. We want to start at this point, come backwards, look for any cracks, breaks, significant root growth, or bellies that may be in the line. You can see a repair has been done to this sewer line because it's plastic PVC there. Now it switches to 6-inch clay tile from 6-inch plastic. A little bit of root growth there. Nothing is obstructing the flow of waste. You got a bigger root growth here, but it's not obstructing the flow of waste. We'll recommend annual maintenance to keep the roots back so you don't get it back up in the basement. Oh, a little bit of root fell off right there. Okay, right here, we just came into the cast iron from the clay tile. This is the transition, which is at or near the foundation of the home. You can see lines been cabled in the past where they cut through the roots. Recommend annual maintenance to keep the roots back so it don't cause a blockage in the line. Clay tile is in good service condition. Right there on the right is where the floor drain and laundry line's coming in, and probably the kitchen also. They all connect in and then tie in right there on the right, which is right at the base of the stack. I don't see anything right there. Here's our access located in the basement. Main sewer lateral is in good service condition at this time.